welcome to our Manufacturing and Engineering Forum, Dealing with Change. My name is Anna Christie and I'm the CEO at the Sussex Chamber. We would like to welcome you all at this forum this morning. We have a packed agenda for you this morning. Following our speakers, there will be an opportunity to ask our questions, and we plan to have 30 minutes of networking at the end. I am recording the session so that it can be shared with you afterwards. I am, however, unable to record during the networking because you go into breakout rooms, so I can't record all of the breakout rooms, I'm afraid. We will have an overview from our chair of this forum, David Shaw from Time 24, followed by Dr. Robert Coles, who's the CEO at Roffey Park, and Professor Dave Cooper, who's a professor in management and economic development at the University of Chichester. This will focus on change management in a post-COVID world, the needs to adjust business models and digitally transform, and how we also manage staff remotely, as well as managing the changing workforce with Millennials and Gen Z. We will also have an update from Laurence Parry, who's a tax partner at Kreston Reeves, who will give an update on the budget and tax implications and benefits to manufacturing engineering companies. So firstly, I would like to welcome David Shaw to say a few words.
Yeah, morning everyone. Those regular attendees of this, I just spend a quick 5 minutes just reviewing where manufacturing is at the moment, just to give an overall view before we go into the specifics. The Purchasing Managers Index, the PMI, is always a bellwether and a barometer of exactly where manufacturing is at. And at the moment, it's the highest it's been for 27 years. If you look at last April in 2020, it was down in the early 40s. It's now at 60.9 as things start to release, as things start to thaw and start to warm up. The Make UK, who represent 22,000 manufacturers, did a survey. 2/3 of those manufacturers believe the output is going to be higher in a year's time, and confidence is registered at a 7-year high. However, going back to point 4 there are some serious supply chain issues, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, which are beginning to affect a lot of manufacturers, and I'll be very interested in, at the end of this, people's viewpoints as how some of these things are affecting them. Input costs are rapidly increasing due to commodity prices, but also shortages, and it's giving the highest input inflation for 4 years.